Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency? Today we are going to explore how to connect your DOGS tokens Bybit, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Create your Bybit account. First thing first, if you don't already have a Bybit account, head over to their website and sign up. Make sure to complete the KYC verification process, which is essential for trading on the platform. Step 2. Deposit your DOGS tokens. Once your account is set up, it's time to deposit your DOGS tokens. Log into your Bybit account, click on the deposit option, select DOGS from list of available tokens. Follow the prompts to transfer your tokens from your wallet or another exchange. Step 3. Participate in promotions. Bybit is celebrating the launch of DOGS or DOGS with some fantastic promotions. Token Splash, deposit and earn. From August 19 to September 9, deposit DOGS on trade them to earn rewards. The first 10,000 users can get up to 192,500 DOGS. Trade to earn. If you trade at least $500 worth of DOGS starting August 23, you can share from a prize pool of 550 million DOGS. Referral boost. Invite friends using your referral code and earn 25,000 DOGS for each successful referral. Step 4. Stay updated. Make sure to keep an eye on Bybit's announcement for additional events like the Wednesday airdrop and Hotcoin extravaganza, where you can earn even more DOGS tokens. Connecting your DOGS or DOGS tokens by Bit is not just about trading. It's about joining a vibrant community and taking advantage of exclusive promotions. So why wait? Get started today and make the most of your cryptocurrency journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy trading!